Hello students. In previous video I had explained you the questions of integer based on addition multiplications. Now today in this video we will do word sums based on the integers. Today we will start exercise firstly. See question number first. Question number first is at Srinagar the temperature was -4 degrees Celsius on Monday. So this much was the temperature on Monday. So first of all you have to write temperature of Srinagar on Monday was how much? -4 degree Celsius, and then it dropped by 2 degree Celsius. Drop means reduced, कम होना. So the temperature was reduced by 2 degree Celsius on Tuesday. So what do you have to write now? Temperature reduced, or you can say in the bracket you can write or drop. Temperature drop on Tuesday. How much? 2 degrees Celsius temperature drop on Tuesday. So now we will find the temperature on Tuesday was. Now we have to write how much temperature was there on Tuesday. On Monday it is -4 degrees Celsius. On next day it get reduced by 2 degrees Celsius. So -2 degrees Celsius we will do. So minus and minus will become plus. So we have to add these two numbers. 4 and 2 will be 6 degrees Celsius. And these two are having minus sign. Which one is greater here? 4 is greater. 4 is having minus sign. So we will put here minus sign. That means temperature on Tuesday was -6 degree Celsius. Now after that he said on Wednesday it rose by 5 degrees Celsius. Now you have to write temperature rises on which day? Wednesday. How much degree Celsius it rise? 5 degrees Celsius. Rises means increase, badna. So temperature rises on Wednesday is 5 degrees Celsius. On previous day, Tuesday, what was the temperature? -6 degrees Celsius. Now we have to write the temperature on Wednesday. This is not the temperature on Wednesday. This is the temperature rise on Wednesday. We have to write the temperature on Wednesday. In previous day, temperature was -6 degrees Celsius. On next day, Wednesday, this much temperature got increases. So we have to add 5 degrees Celsius. So this is minus and this is plus. Minus plus minus. So we have to subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 5 will be 1 degree Celsius. Which one is greater here? 6 is greater. 6 is having minus sign. So answer will be -1 degree Celsius. So at last he said what was the temperature on this day? This means Wednesday. He was asking what was the temperature on Wednesday. So we had find out temperature on Wednesday was -1 degree Celsius. So like this you have to do this question number first. Now see question number 4. Fourth question is a submarine is floating 50 meters below the sea level. I had made one diagram here. You can see. What is the first line? A submarine is floating 50 meters below the sea level. So this is the sea level. From this sea is starting. This is the depth of the sea. This is the submarine. From the sea level, this submarine is 50 meters below. Under this sea level, 50 meters below, one submarine is there. So I had mentioned here distance. This distance is 50 meters. Now after that, what is that? First part. It goes down further. From this point, this submarine goes down further. Here it came. It goes down further 380 meters to the point A. This is the submarine. From this distance, it goes down 380 meters. This much distance is 380 meters. So he said in the question, this submarine goes 380 meters to the point A. So from here, from this position, this submarine come down to the point A. Here I had mentioned this is point A. How much distance is this? 380 meters. From this distance, this submarine came down 380 meters below. So here I had mentioned this distance is 380 meters. Earlier submarine was here. So depth of this position is 50 meter. Now from this place, this submarine comes down. How much distance comes down? 380 meter. It come down to point A. What is asking in the question? Write the depth of point A below the sea level. This is the sea level. We have to write the depth of point A. Where is point A? Point A is this. From this place to this place, we have to tell what is the depth of this much place. So 50 is coming here and 380 is coming here. So total depth will be 380 plus 50. So how you have to write? You have to write depth of point A. Depth of point A below sea level is equal to, this is the sea level and this is point A, this is 50 meter plus this one is 380 meter. Now we will add these two. 430 meter is the distance of this point A from the sea level. Now second part is from the point A, from this place A, it rises 120 meter to another point B. This submarine from point A, it rises up. How much distance it rises up? 120 meter. From this point A, 120 meter it rises up. I had mentioned here 120 meter. From here it come to this place, B place. From A, this submarine come to place B. How much distance up? 120 meter up. So I had mentioned here this is 120 meter. Now what he is asking, what is the depth of sea below sea level? What is the depth of point B? What do you have to write here? What is the depth of point B? Question is, we have to write the depth of point B. This point B, depth we have to tell below the sea level. From this sea level, how much distance is this much? This distance he is asking. So what you have to do? You have to write depth of point B. Depth of point B below sea level is equal to, from sea level this total distance up to point A we had calculated how much? 430 meter, but he is asking in the second part, but he is asking we have to write the depth of B. That means this much distance we have to reduce. In first part we had find the distance of point A from the sea level. This much distance we had find in the first part, that is 430 meter. But this 430 meter we don't need in second part. In second part he is asking we have to write this much depth till B. That means this much depth between A and B we have to remove. What is the distance between A and B point? Distance between A and B point is 120 meter. So from this total 430, this total distance is 430 meter. From this 430 meter we will remove this 120 meter. So we will get the answer 310 meter is the answer of this second part. So like this you have to do this question number 4. But one more method is there to solve this question. That method is explained in your textbook in the examples question. In the examples question they had taken sign. Depth below the sea level they are taking minus sign. And if we will take the depth above sea level we have to take plus sign. But that method is confusing. That's why I am not explaining that method. This method is easy. You learn this method. This one is very easy. If you will take that method you will get confused, because in that lot of signs are coming, plus and minus. So you will get confused. So it's better you learn this method. This one is easy. So like this you have to do this question number 4. Now see question number 6. Sixth question is, in a quiz competition team X got this much marks and team Y got this much marks in the 5 rounds. 5 rounds competition was there. Team X got this much marks and team Y got this much marks. First part is we have to find the score of 2 teams. So first part we have to find the score of team X also we have to find, and next thing that we have to find is score of team Y. So what you have to do in this question? In the first round, Team X got minus 40 marks. Then we have to add the marks of second round 90. Then marks of third round 0. Marks of fourth round 30. Plus marks of fifth round. Fifth round is they got minus 70. So this minus 70 we have to write in the bracket because plus sign is also there and minus sign is also there. That's why we have to take this minus 70 in the bracket. Now what you have to do? First of all, you have to open this bracket. Minus 40 plus 90 plus 0 plus 30 plus and minus will become minus 70. Now these two numbers are having minus sign. So minus and minus will become plus. So we have to add these two numbers. 70 plus 40, answer will be 110. Which one is greater here? 70 is greater. 70 is having minus sign. So here also we have to put minus sign. Now plus 90 and plus 30 will become plus 120. Now we will solve these two. Minus 110 and plus 120. Minus plus minus. So we have to subtract these two. 120 minus 110, answer will be 10 marks. But which one is greater? 120 is greater. 120 is having plus sign. So score of Team X is plus 10 marks. Now we will find the score of Team Y. Team Y. In first round they got 75. Then second round 30. Plus third round is minus 50. So two sign are coming together. We have to take in bracket. Plus minus 70 is there. So we have to take in bracket. Plus fifth round they got 10 marks. Now 75 plus 30 plus and minus will become minus 50. Plus minus minus 70 plus 10. Now these three numbers are having plus sign. So we will add these three numbers. 75 plus 30. Answer will be 105. Plus 10, 115. Now these two numbers are having minus sign. Minus and minus means plus. So we have to add these two also. 70 plus 50. 120. Which one is greater here? 70 is greater. 70 is having minus sign. So we will put here minus sign with 120. Now these two numbers are having plus sign and minus sign. So plus minus, no sign is there, na? That means here it will be plus. So plus minus minus. That means we have to subtract these two. 120 minus 115 will be 5. Which one is greater here? 120 is greater and 120 is having minus sign. That means we have to put minus sign. So score of Team X is plus 10 marks and score of Team Y is minus 5 marks. So which team won? Team X won the quiz competition. Now second part is, what was the margin by which the victorious team won? So you have to write this full line. The margin by which victorious team won. So we have to find the difference between the score of these two teams, Team X and Team Y. So who got more mark? Team X got more mark. They are having plus 10 marks. And Team Y are having less mark. Team Y members are having less mark. They are having only minus 5 marks. So what you have to do? Larger digit minus smaller digit. Smaller is minus 5. Two sign are coming together. That's why we have to take the bracket. 10 minus and minus will be plus. So answer is 50. So margin means we have to find the difference between the two score. Difference means minus, and in order to subtract we have to do larger number minus smaller number. Which one is larger? 10 is larger, plus 10, and minus 5 is smaller. So larger number minus smaller number. Two sign are coming together. That's why we have taken here bracket. So like this you have to do this question number 6. Now see question number 8. Question number 8 is, a certain freezing process require that the room temperature be lowered from 45 degrees C at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius every hour. What is the question? Room temperature has to be lowered from 45. This temperature has to be lowered from 45 means now in the present temperature of room is What do you have to write? First of all, you have to write the temperature of room. How much it is given? 45 degrees Celsius is given temperature of the room, or room temperature you can say. Then this temperature 45 degrees Celsius has to be reduced, lowered at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius every hour. What is the meaning of this? In every 1 hour the temperature of the room will get low. How much it will get low? 4 degrees Celsius it will get low. So what you will write here? Temperature lowered in 1 hour is equal to 4 degree Celsius. Temperature lowered you can write, or reduced. Temperature reduced in 1 hour is equal to 4 degree Celsius. What is asking? What will be the room temperature 10 hours after? We have to find the room temperature after 10 hours. So in every 1 hour temperature is getting reduced. How much it is getting reduced? 4 degrees Celsius. Now we will find temperature lowered in 10 hours. In 1 hour temperature of the room will getting down by 4 degrees Celsius, but in 10 hour it will get reduced 4 into 10, that means 40 degrees Celsius it will get reduced in 10 hour. Now you have to write temperature of the room after 10 hours. What is asking? What will be the room temperature after 10 hours? The process begins. So we have to find the temperature of room after 10 hours. Earlier temperature of the room was 45 degrees Celsius, but every hour it is getting reduced. So we have to subtract. How much it get reduced in 10 hours? In 10 hours the temperature got down by 40 degrees Celsius. So we have to reduce here 40 degrees Celsius. That means answer is 5 degree Celsius. So like this you have to do this question number 8. One more method is there. Another method how you have to do, see, temperature lowered in 1 hour we have taken 4 degrees Celsius. You can take here -4. Lowered is coming, that means we have to take minus sign. If it will get increased we have to take plus sign. Then temperature lowered in 10 hour will be -4 into 10 will be -40. Then this -40 we will take here also. So like this also you can do. So both the methods are correct. You can use any method. So what we have done in this question, temperature of the room was given 45 degrees Celsius. In every 1 hour this temperature will get reduced by 4 degrees Celsius. So we will find temperature that will lowered in 10 hours will be 4 into 10, 40 degrees Celsius it will get low. So room temperature was 45, but it get lowered 40 degrees Celsius. So remaining temperature of the room after 10 hours is 5 degrees Celsius. Now say this question number 11. 11th question is, the elevator descends in a mine shaft. Descends means goes down. The elevator goes down in a mining shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. That means what is given here? Elevator goes in 1 minute is equal to 6 meter. Here distance is given. In 1 minute elevator goes down in the mine. How much distance? 6 meter it will go. First part he is asking where it will reach in 20 minutes. So we have to find elevator goes in 20 minutes. 20 minutes we have to find where it will reach. In 1 minute it will go 6 meter. Then in 20 minutes it will go 20 into 6. That means 120 meter it will go. From where this will go 120 meter? From the starting point. In 1 minute elevator is going down in the mining. How much? 6 meter it will go. But we have to find how where it will reach in 20 minutes. So elevator goes in 20 minutes. How much distance it will go? 20 into 6, 120 meter it will go. From where this mining is starting? Mining is starting from 10 meter above the sea level. It is given in the question. The descent starts from 10 meter above the sea level. So see this diagram, it will make you clear. This is the sea and this is one mountain. In this mountain gold mine or coal mine is there, mining activity is going on. So this mining activity, from where this mining activity starts, the descent starts from 10 meter above the sea level. This is the sea level, but this mountain is very high, height of this mountain is very much. So mining, from which position we started the mining? We started the mining 10 meter above the sea level. This is the sea level. From this sea level 10 meter above, from this point, mining started, and this is the elevator. So mining is starting from this point. That means in 20 minutes from this starting point, this elevator will go how much distance down? 120 meter go, it will go down from the starting point. But if we will find this distance from the sea level, then this answer will get changed. This is 120 meter, this 120 meter will be from the starting point. Now we will find this distance from the sea level. If we will start this mining from this sea level, so what you have to do? You have to remove this 10 meter distance. We are starting our mining activity from 10 meter above the sea. From this position we are starting our mining activity. That's why in 20 minutes it will go 120 meter down from the starting point. But if we will find the distance from this sea level, from this point, then what you have to do? You have to remove this distance. How much distance is this? This is 10 meters. So what you have to do? From 120 meter you have to reduce 10 meter. So answer will be 110 meter from the sea level. So this answer is from the sea level, and this 120 meter answer is from the starting point. So here 110 meter also you can write, and you can write here minus 110 also. Minus means this elevator is going down below the sea level, this 110 meter is below the sea level. So for below the sea level, what you have to do? You have to take minus sign. So either you can write minus 110 meter or you can write 110 meter, but you have to mention here in the bracket 110 meter below the sea level. If you will mention this below the sea level, then no need to put minus sign. Now come to second part. Second part is how long it will take. How long means how much time it will take to reach the depth of minus 350. Minus sign is coming. I explained you. If we will take here minus 110 meter, minus 110 means that this much distance is below the sea level. If we will take minus sign, so here minus sign is coming. So what is this? This is distance below sea level is given. How much? 350 meter. No need to take this minus sign. I have not taken minus sign. Why I am not taking minus sign? Because I had mentioned here this much distance is below the sea level. So that's why I had not taken this minus sign. Now this much distance is below the sea level, but mining is not starting below the sea level. From which position we are starting our mining activity? We are starting our mining activity 10 meter above this sea level. We are not starting our mining from this sea level. We are starting from this position. We are not starting from this position. That means this 10 meter distance we have to include. So total distance will be 350 meter below the sea level plus 10 meter above the sea level. So total distance will be 360 meter. What we have done? This is minus 350 meter. Minus sign means minus sign represent the distance below the sea level. So I had mentioned here distance below sea level is below this sea level. How much distance is there? 350 meter. But mining is not starting from this sea level. Mining is starting from 10 meter above. That's why total distance will be this 350 also plus this 10 meter also. So total distance is 360 meter. Now speed is also given. Speed is given in the first line 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. What we have to find in the second part? We have to find how long will it take. How long means time we have to find. Now we will use the formula for time. Time formula is distance upon speed. Distance is 360 meter upon speed is 6 meter per minute. Now what you have to do, these two you will cancel. 60 meter and meter will also get cancelled. So what will be the remaining unit here? Remaining unit will be minute. Remaining unit will be minute. So no need to write here. We will just cancel these two and we will write answer will be 60 minute, and 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So that means in order to go 350 meter below the sea level, we will this elevator will take how much time? 1 hour it will take, but distance we will not take 350. This is the 350 meter below the sea level, but mining is starting 10 meter above. So this 10 meter also we have to take. So total distance will be 360 meter. So like this you have to do this question number 11. So now your homework is you have to complete this full exercise in your fair notebook.